You are welcome to Maths with Chris. In this lesson, we want to continue our discussion on logarithm of whole numbers. Logarithm of whole numbers. And we are looking at numbers that are greater than 1. Numbers that are greater than 1. So we want to evaluate this expression using logarithm table. Now, how do I proceed? To write your number, then you have log. The first number, which is this one, you have 28.61. Then this part, you need to find your characteristics and mantissa. To get your characteristics, you need to move this point to the front of the first non-zero digit. The first non-zero digit here is 2, so the point will move once to this place. So in that case, the characteristics will be 1. So you have 1 point. Now, to get your other part of this place, which is called the mantissa, then you need to get it from your logarithm table. Now, this is a typical logarithm table. WAEC provided logarithm table. Now, how do you use this logarithm table now? Then you go to the page of logarithm on this book, which is page 2 and 3. So you go to page 2 and 3 of this log table. You go and check 28 under 6, this place of x, that's where you get your 28. So you go to this part, you look at 28, this is under, you have under from 1 to 9, and you have differences also from 1 to 9. So you go and check 28 under 6. So you check 28 under 6. If you check correctly, 28 under 6 is 4564. 4564. So we write that one somewhere, 4564. Then you add the difference. So go to 28 under 6 now. Then difference 1. Difference 1 now. So you now go to 28 under 6, difference 1. Difference 1 is 2. So I will add 2 to this now. So this will be 3, 6, 5, 4. So you have 4, 5, 6, 3. So this will give me 4, 5, 6, 3. So that's our mantissa. Then I'm multiplying it by this one. This is 74.23. Now the characteristics of this one, if I ask you, is exactly like this. The point will move once to the front of the first non-zero digit. So the point will come here. That characteristic will be 1. Point. Then in this case now, you check 74 under 2. So let's do 74 under 2. So you have 74 here under 2. 74 under 2, that's 8704. 8704. So you have 8704. Then I'll add difference 3. I'll add difference 3. Difference 3 is 2. So if I add 2 to this now, I will have 8706. 8706. So this will give me 8706. Now, since I'm multiplying this number by this, I will add in this place. So if I add this to this, what do I have? So in that case, I have 1.4563 plus 1.8706. So that will give me 3.3269. Now, since that's everything that is up and it's our numerator, then I'll write in this place now numerator. You have numerator. Then I'll take it out to this place. So this will be 3.3269. Then I will start with the denominator now. which is I have 5, 3, 5.9. So the characteristics of this one will move, the point will move to the front of the first non-zero digit. That will be 1, 2. So characteristics is 2 points. Then in this case, I'm going to check 35 under 5. So we'll go to 35 under 5. 35 under 5. 35 under 5 is 5502. So that is 5502. Difference 9. Difference 9 is 11. So I'll add 11 to this now. So I have 3155. So this will give me 5513. Multiply by this one now, which is 2.547. Now I said the decimal point is supposed to be in front of the first non-zero digit. And the first non-zero digit here is 2. Since the point is already in front of the 2, the characteristic will be a 0. So you have a 0 point because the point is not moving to any direction. So you have a 0 point, then you check 25 under 4. See, using your logarithm table now. 25 under 4, you go to 25 here, under 4. That's 4048. 25 under 4, 4048. Write that one somewhere, 4048. Add difference 7. Difference 7. Difference 7 is 12. So add 12 to this. This is 0, 6, 0, 4. You have 4060. So this will give you 4060. Since between this number and this one I'm multiplying, I will see add here. And if I add in this case now, what do I have? So I have 2.5513 plus 0.4060. And that will give me 2.9573. And that's everything in the denominator. So I'll write denominator here now. And I'll take this to this side. That's 2.9573. Now, since between this numerator and denominator, this line makes division, then I will subtract their log here. So I will have 3.3269 minus 2.9573. And that will give me 0.3696. Since that's everything that we are supposed to do here, then I'll come to this side to come and look for my anti-log. Then you come to this side, you write anti-log of 0.3696. So since you look at your anti-log now, turn your logarithm table backward once. That's where you see the anti-log. Then under the anti-log, we check 0.36 because the anti-log table starts from point. So you check 0.36. 0.36 under 9. 0.36 under 9. That's 2339. So you have 2339. Then difference 6. Difference 6 is 3. So if I add 3 to this, so you have 2339 plus 3. This is 2432. So you have 2342. That will give me 2342. In anti-log, the point is already in front of the first non-zero digit here. And it can either move forward or backward. But it will move forward in this case because the number here is positive. And